Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today's topic deals with settlement conferences. What is a settlement conference and what can you expect from your settlement conference? A settlement conference is basically just a meeting with a judge, not the judge that is assigned to your current case, but a different judge. And it is done for the sole purpose of trying to settle the issues in your case to try to avoid having to go to trial. That is basically what a settlement conference is. They are usually held in a conference room at the courthouse. They are not held in the courtroom, usually. And they are attended by the judge, both of the attorneys, and both parties to the case. Depending on your case and the complexity of your case and the arguments at hand in your case, a settlement conference can last between a half a day to a full day. And again, depending on your case and your relationship with your spouse, you can either choose to be seated in the same room or choose to have separate rooms. I prefer to have my clients choose a separate room because it gives them less stress, ability to freely communicate their wishes and desires, and not feel like they have to be burdened or forced into saying something that they don't really want to say, and they're free to express what they want and how they feel. Your attorney will begin by letting the judge know what your demands are, issue by issue. And then the judge will then take those demands to the other side and discuss what your demands are and come back with their opposition, their counter, and what they want. So it's a back and forth with every issue involved in your case. The role of the judge is to be a facilitator, to go back and forth, to talk some sense into the parties. A lot of the times, the parties don't know what to expect legally. They have this expectations of what they want. And so it's really a good idea to have a senior judge in your settlement conference, because as a judge, they have more of an understanding of what your presiding judge in your case, how they will rule based on the law and based on the expectations. And as a judge, they have more of an insight into that than the attorneys might. So it's a good idea to do a settlement conference. It saves you a lot of time. It saves you a lot of money. It saves you the stress and the anxiety and the cost of going to trial. So it is a good idea, and I strongly recommend it. Although it is a good idea, I do want to tell you that you are in no way obligated to come to a settlement at that conference. You want to, of course, go there in good faith and try to come to settlements and try to settle your case, but you are not obligated to do so. And that is the most important thing I want you to take away from this. Go with an open mind, go in good faith, but you are not obligated to come to a settlement at that conference. If you have questions about this topic or any other family law topic, please don't hesitate. Go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com and I will be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. And as always, I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.